Hi, so today we're going to be demonstrating how to create a Outlook calendar event and add people to it. So first you'll open up Outlook, and this is where it will usually bring you. And you'll come to the sidebar here and click the calendar. Once this screen pulls up, you'll see the tab that says create a new event, where you can click. And this is where you can add a title. And then you can invite attendees. And after you do that, it brings you to this next section to choose a date and time for the event. So for this particular event, it's going to be the 27th from 2 to 4. And then this will tell you everyone's available. And then you can even add a room for the event, wherever it's going to be hosted at. And then you can set a reminder for an hour before the event, 5 minutes, or even if you don't want to be reminded. And then in this next section, you can create a little description. And then you can even add a little document if you have one. Some emojis, photos. You can attach whatever you need. If you have an invite, you can attach it here. And then on this side here, you can see that everyone is available, and this is the time slot and day that your event is going to take place. And you can go over to the scheduling assistant, where you can also see in a better view where it's going to take place, and this will also allow you to move the event if you need to. And once you're done here, you have your event all planned. And that is all.